Welcome. Today I am super duper excited. I don't know if you saw my last video about these small gift crates from Loot Crate. They're Sanrio small gift crates. And the last one I received at the very end of the last week of December was my summer box. The theme was Retro Rewind, and it finally came in December, and I was wondering if I would ever see another box. Oh my god. This one is here already. I mean, and when I say already, it's my fall box in the, middle of January, but still, it's really hot on the heels of that summer box. Maybe they are getting their ish together. I'd really like to see a long, happy future of Sanrio small gift crates brought to me by Loot Crate in my house, making me happy. But yeah, this one is a lot smaller than the last one. It feels very manageably sized, if you can see. I know nothing about this box because I was not expecting to see it so soon. And let's find out what's inside. I guess I should say that the Sanrio small gift crate is a quarterly crate brought to you by the people at Loot Crate, packed with Sanrio items, Hello Kitty and her pals, and things from that universe. And it's typically amazing. Excuse me, sorry about that. At $49.99 per crate, it's one of my more expensive boxes, but that's a quarterly price, and that's not terrible. The terrible part is that Loot Crate has run into some financial trouble, and they were looking for new backers, and all these crates are backed up. So that's what I was talking about earlier. This, I presume to be my fall 2019 Loot Crate. But if it's coming so fast on the heels of the summer one, which was so backed up, maybe they're really getting their house in order. And that's really exciting to me. But not more exciting than seeing what is inside here. So enough talking. Let's open the box. Okay. See what we have. Usually, you open the box, there's this beautiful paper that I like, focus, that I like to save because that's just how it be. I like to save it and, I don't know, doodle, color. Could use it as wrapping paper. Whatever. It's awesome. And there's usually a little dangly trinket here. And this one looks like a tiny vanity. It's like a little vanity table. Miniature. It's my Melody. It's so cute. Look at this little bud. Alright. Now I want really tiny cosmetics and a little stool to fill my vanity table. Alright, maybe I'm silly. Let's see. I'm going to try and rummage around because I know nothing about this box. In every crate there is, oh, I found it without looking, a poster that is also a list of things that's inside. So the poster says that this is the Hello Kitty 45th Anniversary 1974 to Forever box. See that? Yes. Alright, I'm not trying to look at the other side too closely until I spy my items. because I like the surprise. Typically, everything in the box except for the trinket is going to be a Loot Crate exclusive. So, let's see what they have for us. The first thing I'm pulling out is, ooh, a vinyl. 45th anniversary. It's shiny. I don't know if you can see. You can't because of the light. She's really shiny. The clothes have like a metallic tint on them, and even her little nose is metallic looking. Okay, that's very cute. It is join this party with the iconic Hello Kitty figure. 500 lucky looters will receive ultra rare gold variants. Which one did you get? I mean, I think mine's just normal. If you got one of those variants, would you put a picture underneath? Because I just want to see what it looks like. Please and thank you. Right, the next thing that I see in here is, feels like clothes. It's the Hello Kitty 45th anniversary design t-shirt. Oh, there it is. That is very cute. It's lots of little, very iconic on the telephone with the gumball machine, little bozies. Okay. The next thing is a pin. Out of this little baggie. It's like a gold coin. That's pretty cute. She's in her airplane like she is on her Thanksgiving like float from the Macy's parade. This is a, let's see, what does it say about the coin? Show off your classic Sanrio style with the shiny medallion pin, celebrating Hello Kitty 1974 to forever. And this is a mirror that looks like a coin purse, I believe. Let's see. And it's on a keychain. Bags on bags on bags. Let me at it. Alright, it's got a keychain and a little claw thing. And it looks like, I want to say, the original Hello Kitty coin purse that started it all. I think that was the first. Hello Kitty history nerds will know that I think this is a design of the first coin purse that started Hello Kitty off in the world. Maybe I've watched a few Hello Kitty YouTube videos and documentaries. Maybe. This is what the backside looks like. And it is a mirror. It says it's a swivel mirror, so you gotta slide it open like this. That's cute. Okay. Last, and certainly not least, well, let me see what they have to say about the coin purse. Reflect back on all the happy times you've shared with this handy mirror, based on the first Hello Kitty item ever made. See? I know my Hello Kitty history. I wasn't sure that I was right, but I guess maybe I should read and then I would know. And the last item is a Hello Kitty puffy journal. Oh my god, my childhood. Look at this little puffy joy. A little snap. Oh my god, yes. That smell of fresh paper. I think that this is where I started loving Hello Kitty. When I was little, my auntie used to take me to like the local little stationery shop and let me pick anything that I wanted, and it was always something puffy or stickers or a tiny notebook with Hello Kitty on it. And this particular design just is taking me back. Holy cow. This little retro journal of my dreams. Man. Okay, let's see what it says here. Write down all your favorite Hello Kitty memories in this soft, puffy journal featuring retro pixel characters. There we go. Oh my god. I am a happy, happy girl right now. I gotta tell you. Just, god, memory lane. This box has been extremely retro and my heart is joyful. Let me see what it says on here. The last thing I didn't read. Celebrate Hello Kitty's 1974 to forever. This year marks the 45th anniversary of Sanrio's most beloved friend, Hello Kitty. And she's as super cute as ever. Take a trip back to Hello Kitty's classic roots with these vintage expired collectibles in the Hello Kitty 45th anniversary crate. Well, I'm a very happy girl. Thank you, Sanrio. Thank you, Loot Crate. I don't even know what else to say about that. And now, it's time for the breakdown of this box. Because every Loot Crate flips inside out to become a much cuter box. Don't judge a box by its cover. Turn it inside out first. Alright, let's do it. Ah! Now I've got it. Oh. Done. On the one side you've got that iconic Hello Kitty bow, and then these retro kind of tiny outline pictures on the side there. They call them pixelated, retro pixelated things. And then on this side, Hello Kitty 45th anniversary. And then the other side has the same design. And on the larger faces, you've got the super iconic Hello Kitty with her milk. I love the milk bag. Oh, that little milk jar gets me every time. A little fishy. And over here, she is in her little plane. And I just always picture the that balloon. Yellow striped plane. All right. This has been everything in your Sanrio small gift crate for fall 2019. Brought to you in January of 2020. But brought to you. So, small mercies. My favorite, oh my god, I don't even know. This box, that puffy journal feels like my entire childhood and like loving memories of my aunt. Super stoked on the mirror that I recognized as Hello Kitty's very first object ever. I don't even know where to begin. Everything. This box, my favorite is everything. What's your favorite? Did you get a gold variant? I want to see what it looks like. Is this box amazing? Do you think they're getting their life together? Fingers crossed. I mean, what if, crazy thoughts, I get my winter box before the winter ends? I don't want to dream too big, but it's starting to feel possible. That would be amazing. All right, you guys, now it's time for that sweet product shot. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tell your friends and let everybody who's missing out on their boxes know that they're coming. Click that little bell if you want to be notified when my winter box gets here. You do. You want to be notified. Yeah. Otherwise, just thanks for opening my Hello Kitty Sanrio small gift crate with me. It has been an amazing adventure that has made me very happy, and I've been so glad to share it with you. Thanks for watching. See you soon.
For more adventures of a girl and her box, click the playlist in the top left. If you want to see what we get up to in our life around here, click the playlist in the top right. I'll put my last Sanrio small gift crate down at the bottom. And don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the circular icon of my face. Thanks for watching.